we can do it drunk, you can do it sober. Like, let's say,
singing a happy song.
Driving along is a song that we're singing. Uh-oh.
Everybody
you get happy. Wait a minute.
Okay.
This isn't happy.
This is the Happy Town Road.
This is the Happy Town Road.
This is the Happy Town Road.
Okay.
Okay, so you stay happy.
I'm pretty happy.
Because we're going to go to town.
Oh.
You ready to go to town?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
I've been down this road. This is a long ascent.
It is. It is a long ascent.
Yeah.
And this is where this thing gets muddy quick.
Yeah.
Because this is where...
Windows.
Windows, that's right.
Windows.
Yeah, we don't need any more inside than we have. All right, away we go.
Holy shit. That's deeper than it looks.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, look, it's greasy.
The whole length of it.
Oh, wow, it is greasy. Hey, you're getting mud on the windshield.
It's raining, don't worry.
You're messing up my movie. Wow, this is a mess. Why is it so wet?
I don't know. 5 days, 6 days of rain.
Oh, okay. Look at it just running down. I can't see. Jesus. Wow, it grew in a lot since the last time we came up
it
here.
has. And it's gotten a lot greasier.
Oh my friggin' word. Up we go. And I mean up. I really think this was a good idea.
What was the other day?
Wow. It's treacherous. Ooh, mile marker.
Mile marker, that's right. And I gotta be.
Oh, jeez.
I think I'll do it.
Oh man, don't fall down in there. Okay.
All right.
Ooh, that was exhausting. We went for about
500 feet.
yeah. Okay.
Going up at their full size, right?
Okay. It looks like it. I don't know.
Well, let's try it a little closer.
Yeah. It is steep. Really steep.
Walk right up it.
For low.
Yeah.
Where's your approach going to be to the?
I'm staying over here. I'm gonna stay over here, and once I get up to where that log, that black plastic is, I'm gonna kind of shoot off to the left.
Right.
First gear. Yeah. Let's go see what happens.
All right. That is steep.
Oh, that's a good one.
That
was a good one.
Oh, that's steep. All right. Now, I gotta ask, why is everybody driving up here?
I want to go back and look at it.
No, there's a good. All right. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, roll the windows up.
Well, we don't have to go all the way. We got those.
Okay.
If it hits that mud shield, it's better than hitting the window.
Well, let's see what this looks like.
I wonder which side we're going to. I haven't made up my mind.
You know. Dude, whoa. Just like we just stuck.
We're not stuck.
Stuck.
Yeah.
Don't say that. Oh, your tires are loaded with mud. You're running like. Well, they were. Okay, here we go. Man,
That hit
big.
4.
This is $4,000.
Yep, that hit $4,000. But now we're at 2.5.
Yep, yep.
2. Well, I sunk sitting there.
Yeah, but look. Whoa! For Christ's sake! Wow, look at that. Jesus.
What Aerosmith say? Night in the ruts? Or right in the nuts?
Right in the. Oh, wow! Look at this. Oh my God. Oh.
I told you we had at least 300 feet of mud.
Oh man, she did it though.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look, mile marker.
Yeah, that's right. Mile marker.
Oh, exhausting.
Yeah.
Now look at this prestige. It's like somebody's back lawn now.
Oh, until you hit the mud.
Oh,
Want to see some more?
This
There's some more mud.
Oh,
Dude,
yeah.
we ain't done.
Oh, yeah.
This is the most mud we've been through.
Oh, fuck. Man, it's growing in. Look at it.
Yeah, it is.
Man, you got some plant life going on here. Working good. Oh, it's moving it. Fish is gonna go snap. Look at it. Even swept the leaves out of the trail. Hard to beat that.
She's up.
Oh, it's up. I mean, that's oh.
That's a lot of water. Scroll, yeah, that's a lot of water. Scroll to the point where you can't see the stick either. Should have got the right cable or something. That's a lot of water. I don't mind turning around. If you don't mind.
No.
Yeah,
No, we're all gonna.
yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Hey, I was at the power line, and that was pretty cool.
Yeah. If we can do it drunk, you can do it sober.